And viewers, in another breaking news, BRS MLC K. Kavitha put under house arrest. This comes after BRS party gave a call to protest at Ambedkar statue over the arrest of the party leaders like Harish Rao, Jagdish Reddy, Kaushik Reddy yesterday. This is a classic BRS versus the Congress in Telangana. BRS MLC K. Kavitha has been put under house arrest. And it comes after the BRS party gave a call to protest at Ambedkar statue over the arrest of the party leaders like Harish Rao, Jagdish Reddy, Kaushik Reddy yesterday. Just yesterday, in fact, K. Kavitha was also paying a visit to Harish Rao in his house after his arrest. In fact, in today, BRS MLC K. Kavitha has herself been put under house arrest. There is a crackdown after clarion call for protest by the BRC at the Ambedkar statue. A classic BRS versus Congress in Telangana. We have Aneri live with us, joining us to get us more on the story. Aneri, tell us, how did this happen? Things have escalated so far in the classic BRS versus Congress in Telangana. Just yesterday, only 3 leaders were arrested, but today even K. Kavitha has been nabbed. So what is happening?
Well, that's right. What we have been seeing is that this comes after the BRS party had given a call to stage a protest at Ambedkar statue following the arrest. They have been calling, BRS party has been calling this as an illegal arrest of its party leaders and former ministers. Remember, yesterday it was Harish Rao, Jagdish Reddy and Kaushik Reddy and other leaders of the party were arrested and shifted to police station. This comes days after, just 2 days back, we had seen how Kaushik Reddy was seen threatening the police officer, the SHO at the Banjaras police station, and that's the reason why there was a case which was booked against Kaushik Reddy, following which we saw how the leaders, Harish Rao, Jagdish Reddy and other leaders who were trying to go and meet Kaushik Reddy, they were put under house arrest. And now, after they have been released last night, now we see that the BRS party had given a call today to stage protest at Ambedkar statue. They have been calling it as an illegal arrest, and now we see that how BRS party has now called it as an illegal arrest. And also not only that, but also at the same time we have been seeing that now K. Kavitha and other leaders have also been put under house arrest. K. Kavitha, who happens to be the BRS MLC and former Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's daughter, she has been put under house arrest as to not to go ahead and protest at the Ambedkar statue. That's the reason why we see that K. Kavitha also has been put under house arrest.